very helpful, very friendly, very helpful. Recommend him to everybody. What a good guy.
And what did we do?
Fixed a computer that crashed, fixed my phone.
And?
New computer.
Yep.
Beautiful.
Yep. And in record time. And we
Yes.
got the other one set up too.
Thank you.
And
Yes, that's right.
and we
Yes.
got the QuickBooks issues resolved.
Yes, QuickBooks, yes.
And then real quick blurb for your business. Say a little blurb about what Central Texas Outdoor
Central
Story
Texas
is.
Outdoor Living, we are a commercial retaining wall subcontractor. Yes.
Out here in Cedar Park, and where all do you cover?
We go Austin and surrounding. We go down to San Antonio. We're all over the place.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Charlie.
You
and
are
it's
my computer guy.
and I was grateful to be of a blush.
Thank you.